Hello everyone. Have you ever encountered abnormal charging behavior on consumer electronics devices in your daily life? In this video, we will introduce how to use a USB voltmeter to accurately detect the charge status of the electronic devices, such as laptops, smartphones, which are at your hand. Before we start, here's a quick introduction of the detection tool used in this video. To measure the voltage, we utilize USB voltmeters with both USB-A and USB-C ports. Especially, we use PowerZ for USB-C devices and ZY1280P for USB-A devices. To monitor the charge status of the devices, you will need charging equipment. For our setup, we used Anker power bank, the USB Type-C laptop charger, and charging cables. The power bank and fast charger we used had a maximum output power of 140 wattage. Our demonstration, we used an MSI Prestige 16 Studio A30VF laptop and a Redmi 10 smartphone. Next, let's move to our topic, how to use a USB voltmeter. Before using the USB voltmeter, you need to confirm the device charging spec, which is the minimum spec that the device can be charged, and whether it meets the device. First, it's necessary to confirm the charging spec of both charging and charged devices. I'm using the MSI laptop as an example. You may check the power status in the notification area on the right side of the text bar, or you can check it in the battery status on the side of the laptop. For the location of the battery indicator, you can refer to user guide for further information. Then confirm the charging specs of the I/O port on laptops, which can be checked on the MSI official website. And you can also check the minimum requirements from the user manual. The MSI laptop supports PD 3.1. and the minimum charge spec will be 65 wattage or above. It is recommended charge equal or greater than 100 wattage. Let's discuss the spec of charging device. The charging device can be power bank or a charger. In this video, an Anker power bank and the Anker fast charger are used. Both can support a maximum power of 140 wattage. Besides laptops, you can also use smartphones, which are indispensable in our daily life for the test. In this part, we are using the USB-A ZY1280P to test the charging behavior between the laptop and phone. As here shown, USB-A ZY1280P is inserted into the Type-A port, and the charging cable is connected between ZY1280P and the mobile phone to test the output power of the laptop. Next, we will guide you on how to save the test results by using PowerZ. First, install the software of PowerZ. Connect the data transfer port to the laptop first, then connect the detection port on PowerZ, and then you will be able to check the tested data in the data recorder on the laptops, and you can even save the image in data recorder or a log file in PD Analyzer. However, if the device cannot charge or be charged by other devices, there might be several reasons. There might be using unmet spec requirements by using incompatible cables and chargers. Also, might be another situation where the device can't be properly charged during the heavy loading. It's because the device will leverage all the input voltage they received during heavy loaded status to respond to the task. That's why it's extremely important to connect an adapter when running a heavy loaded program. The above introduction is the using method for the USB voltmeter and various information about the charging and discharging of the device. Thank you for watching.